Starting line, watching a little bit of top fuel. Walking back up here to take a look at funny car. There's no gimmies here. I mean, everybody who's running pretty solid. Brown Caps has got this special paint job. We have 10 composites, that's pretty cool. It's 70th anniversary, pretty neat. A lot of stars and stripes. Taking speed. Del Marshall. Dave Richards. I'm sure some of these guys are up on the track right now, again, thrashing away on the John Force car driven down by Jack Becker. Some adjustments. What that overcast sky full is humid here. In fact, they were making a point earlier that track temperature is not as critical as the UV factor against the pavement itself and how greasy that makes the racetrack. Austin Pratt. That Hagen suits up. Back to the Hagen car here in a second. J.R. Todd is the last in line right here. Hagen checks the chutes. Getting ready to climb in. Some quiet time. Again, the same pearlescent wrap that was used on the Tony Stewart dragster. And for those of you who aren't overly familiar with words, pneumatic timers.
Hold on a second, John. Okay.
And we are rolling forward. Great paint job for the 70th Annual Nationals. Tony Stewart coming the other way.